Welcome back to Dollar Tree. All new organizing products at the front of the store. They have these really cool veggie trays, and I love that you can put ice at the bottom of these. Now these are $5, but a great price. I'm super excited about this one to take it to the pool.
I prefer an ice pack for less mess as it melts, but this first one has 4 compartments. I like to put fruit in here, you could put veggies in here, and I've got a Dollar Tree hack that goes with this in a second. These are made of a strong acrylic and way more reusable than other trays. I made this veggie tray for less than $8, which is super affordable compared to how much they cost in store. This is great to take to parties, and it even comes with a lid, which is awesome.
I've got a full cart. These are the brand new organizing products at Dollar Tree right now. You don't want to miss. Plus we got a pantry makeover. Just stay tuned. She's back and she's new. This is really great for warming up food. These are silicone covers for your bowls, plates, great for summertime. We are really working in the kitchen today, and I'm so excited for you to see this pantry.
You get 3 covers for $1.25, and this large one fits well over the veggie tray. I mean, taking both of these to the pool, it is so affordable. And speaking of food, this is the pantry space that I'm tackling. Yes, we're doing this top to bottom from Dollar Tree in today's video. Here's Dollar Tree's new product line of organizing containers. I really like the gray and the green, and I especially like the die cut patterns. There's one that almost has palm leaves inside of it. It looks really cool. These are $1.25 each, but I think I'm going to choose something a little bit more neutral for this space.
I'm organizing a pantry from Dollar Tree at my beautiful assistant Kathy's home. Now she recently moved into this space, and this is the perfect time to tackle this pantry all from Dollar Tree and share the beautiful tips with you, because this pantry deserves to look stunning.
So let's head back to store and supply up.
I am really intentional with what I share with you. I want it to be in stock in store, and they are shipping these out all over. I've seen so many of these come back. This is really great for organizing a pantry because of how thick the plastic is, and it's great for your cans too. They've also brought back the Lazy Susans from Dollar Tree. So many stores have had them, and I've heard from lots of you that you've seen them too. And these are really great in tight corners. The organization, especially for closets and pantries, just keep getting better. These are all new products. Look at these containers. What I love is the lids are on this, and so they stay together. This is also really great in a pantry, and she loves baking cakes. So I've got some big plans for these.
I love that these are $1.25 each, and they're clear, so it makes organizing really simple and easy to know what you have. Now, Kathy loves to make cakes. Do you like baking? Do you like grilling? Like, what is your staple in the kitchen? I knew that she had to have something uniform in this area, and just look how en masse all of these are so easy to see what she has and keep it super organized. And if nothing else, give a big thumbs up to this video for some of Kathy's cakes. Here's a few of them that she sent to me to be able to share with you. I love that we get to give her a space in her kitchen just for this.
These are so good. So they have this Essentials line wine organizers bag, but I'm going to use this for something different. Check it out.
If you didn't know, you heard it from Kathryn. These Essentials organizers are meant for wine bottles, and they also stack up. But you don't just have to use these in your fridge. I think these are great for storing water bottles. You can find on Amazon products like this that are so expensive, and this way you can customize it exactly to your space. It also works great to dispense plastic cups. Here's how it looks in my cabinet. I love this. There's so many great acrylic organizers in today's video.
Keep your eyes peeled in the office and craft section for these Jot desktop organizers. They're also great in fridges. The Essentials line has a similar container that is fantastic in pantries. You'll swear this is Target.
If you have any vinyl decals, all of these containers take them super well. Here I was using my Cricut to label snack packs. This is going to look awesome in the pantry, and again, she can see everything that she has. So much so that little hands couldn't wait.
In the office section, some great new finds for the kitchen. This Seize the Day organizer is awesome. You can write down the times that you're doing things throughout the day. I really like this one. They also have shopping lists, magnetic lists. These are really expensive on Amazon. They're a great find here. Yes, these are awesome. These are made of kind of like a felt, but it's a thick material, very quality. I've used these a lot, and they're great in kitchens too. They brought these back because it's summer. They have the car trunk organizer. I'm excited about this one. And if you've got little kids, these back seat organizers are super cool. Both of these are $5 each. This is good. Recommend. Yes, go. Good price, good selection. The great thing about summer too is there's lots of extra totes. These large totes make great stair baskets for things that you have to carry up and down the stairs. And they even have these totes with handles. This works great for laundry if you've got kids who can put their own laundry away. Anti-fatigue kitchen mat. Wow, this is so pretty. Doesn't this feel like Kathy to you? This feels so Kathy-ish. I feel like I need to get this for her. Kathy, I'm buying this for you. They brought these back. This is for bathrooms typically, but these rotating organizers are awesome. I use these all over my house and $5 is a great price. The turning mechanism in it is really good. This is a brand new product. These are collapsible crates. I really like that this is easy to put away, but then it can open up nice and big. You can stack these up. Awesome for garage storage. In the $3 and $5 section, all of these they're bringing back again. They're awesome. I'm really excited to use these. They come in gray and white. Pick one color, stick with it. It will look nice and cohesive. And what I like to do is combine plastic organization with some woven organization. They have all of these woven baskets. Now these are just $3 each, and they have some bigger, deeper ones for $5. They also have a more shallow version, but combining these two things together is going to give it a really aesthetically pleasing high-end look. This wastebasket's $5, so it look really nice in the bathroom I just redid. Because the other one is like rusted. This is really pretty. Is this glass? This is actually really nice. These little shakers. It's like, feel it. It's not, here, he has a trash can. He can't do it. Feel that. Right? It's like, it's not plastic, but it's not great for catering, parties, and special occasions. Yeah, that's good.
These Dollar Tree mason jar cups are also awesome, and you can just print off on your computer labels for the tops of your mason jars. Let me show you how simple this is. I love that these are glass. Not only are they affordable, but they fit small bags of things like sprinkles and chocolate chips or maybe nuts. And I love how simple the labels are to change out. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's get to organizing. I can't wait to show you what I do in this pantry and help you with motivation.
All right, step number one, we're gonna grab Dollar Tree containers and start placing them inside to see what's gonna work best. I also love these Dollar Tree can organizers. We've gotta use these somewhere. And these baskets are beautiful. Now these are $3 to $5 each, but I love the woven texture on them. This is gonna add a lot of warmth to this space. I like that this fits really well on the shelves, and all these shelves are adjustable, which is super nice.
And I don't know who needs to hear this today, but it's supposed to look worse before it looks better. That mess, that means you're doing the work. Keep going. You're almost there. Don't let it get you down or make you quit. Your space doesn't get to bully you. It doesn't get to boss you around. You are the boss of your space, and don't you forget it.
Just starting to shift things.
Corner spaces, turntables. This is really going to help bring all of those items to the front and keep you nice and organized long term. I loved her decanted oil bottles. Kathy was coming from her house that already had some containers, so we decided rather than buying new to reuse them. These are very high quality, and I'll be sure to link them down below. She also had some cereal containers, which was really awesome. But here's what you have to know. Even if you don't have containers like this already on hand, Dollar Tree has some options that you might not be aware of. Their glass containers are awesome, and they fit a small bag of sugar, oatmeal, flour, what have you perfectly. And the cereal containers are nice and large. Now, they haven't carried these at my store in a couple of months, but they are continually bringing them back, and this fits a large bag of cereal, and these are still just $1.25 each. It's the SureFresh brand. And the rest of this is all from Dollar Tree. And here's the thing, every time I do a pantry, and I've done a lot, I get excited because I get to witness a shift. It's not about the bins, the labels, lining things up perfectly, although I really do like to see things going in order. It's about someone seeing their space, maybe for the first time, as a place that supports them and doesn't overwhelm them. Even small changes create a ripple effect. Suddenly you breathe a little easier, you feel more in control, you actually want to keep going. Not because you're chasing perfection, but because it feels good to live in a space that works for you. And you remember those labels that clip over your bins? So you can actually find these in the laundry section of Dollar Tree. These take an expo marker perfectly. So for things like this, her overflow section that she has to change out a lot, I love that we're gonna put this in expo marker and this will come right off, but it also looks awesome. And when it comes to labels, I decided to add some lunch bags to this bigger Dollar Tree container, and then we just tied labels on the front of things. And really, the simpler, the better. She pared some things down that she was no longer using, so the system would work for her, and now everything is clear and her kids can use it too. Plus, this was all so affordable to do. Before, this pantry was a catch-all. It wasn't a usable space. She couldn't walk inside. We made big shifts, and I hope they inspire you too.
Are you ready to see the pantry? Here is how it turned out. This looks awesome. I know Kathy is gonna love this space. I think my favorite part over here are these water bottles in the tower and her cup dispensers. She has all of the amazing spot up here for all of her cake decorating things. And these containers over here are working so well. I love the combination of traditional acrylic pantry bins combined with this woven look. It just makes it look so nice, and it really ties in with the drawers that she already had in here. I also love in the corner all of the Lazy Susans. These brand new bins at the bottom with snacks and cereals, and then we have the containers right by the door. But the point is, everything is visual, it's easy to see, including these mason jars. Again, these are at like every Dollar Tree. They're super easy to find.
Progress you can see, peace you can feel. That's the real win. And you didn't have to spend a lot to get there.
Leave this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.